For this video, we'll be discussing how to sell a membership via the point of sale. As you can see here, I've already gone ahead and preloaded our cart, selected our customer who's looking to purchase a membership. And you can see I've already selected the membership tabs as well, so I have all my options available. Depending on your organization, you may only have one or two membership options, or if you're a larger organization, you may have quite a few. If you do offer multiple locations, you can actually select based on those specific locations if you have specific membership per location options. And you can also search via the person type. So certain memberships may have specific restrictions. You may have different pricing for youth. You may have different pricing for your undergraduate versus graduate students, veterans, senior pricing, things along those lines. To keep it simple, we'll be using our test monthly membership, and you can see that this has a duration of 1 month at $100 every single month. So we're going to go ahead and add that to the cart. Now, if you just want this to be a one-time, this person is purchasing the membership only for this current month, you can go ahead and select pay and proceed from there. However, in most cases, you're going to want to create a recurring invoice. And what this does is it means that they are going to have a continuing membership, and they'll be charged, in this case, since it's a monthly membership, they'll be charged every month for that. A few different options from here. Bill first term immediately. If you have this checked, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and charge this person today once this transaction has been completed. And then the next time it's going to charge will be on whatever you have selected as your next billing date. If you leave this box unchecked, we're not going to charge them right now. The next billing date will be the first time that they receive a charge. So we're going to go ahead and bill for the first term immediately. And then we'll say our next one is going to be on June 1st, for example. Now for a billing cycle, keep in mind we want to use this as a recurring membership, so a continuing membership. So we want to add a billing cycle, meaning that they're going to be charged on recurrence. Now you can have this select daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, just depending on the membership. Keep in mind we selected a 1 month long membership, so we're going to have this charge every month. And then you can see this is repeating every 1 month. In some cases, you may have a 3 month long membership that repeats every 3 months. If that's the case, you would just switch this to 3, but since we're keeping it simple, it's just going to be 1 month. You also have the option to bill on different days. So if you want to bill on the first Sunday, the last Saturday of the month, that's an option as well. Most organizations tend to bill on either the 1st or the 15th of each month. And then end recurrence. So this is going to be when you want that membership to stop billing. Membership's over, they're not going to be taking any more payments. You can set a specific date for this. If you want this to be continuous, you would just hit never. And then we're going to go ahead and save. And you can see that this member already has a credit card on file stored in the system. So we're going to go ahead and use that same credit card. Alternatively, you can go ahead and replace the credit card if they have a different one they'd like you to use. For Dunning settings, this is going to be how you want to proceed with billing this membership. So this first one, Dunning disabled, means that this is going to create a payment due invoice, but we're not going to send them an email. We're not going to automatically charge. It's just going to hang out in limbo until they happen to come in and pay it, or if you happen to call them and accept payment. Automatically attempt to charge, this is our most common method. And what this does is it's just going to go ahead, first day of every month, we're going to go ahead and charge that credit card that we have on file. Now you'll notice this says automatically attempt to charge. In some cases, a payment might fail. Maybe a credit card has expired or something was incorrect, limited funds, anything along those lines. And then alternatively, every month we can send a payment request email. So we're not going to go ahead and charge the card on file, but instead they're going to receive an automatic email with a specific link asking them to pay for that membership. Keep things simple. We recommend just automatically attempting to charge the payment method on file. But again, just make sure you're checking with your organization for how you want, or for how they want you to proceed. And we'll create our recurring invoice here. And now you can see that transaction's gone through. The card was successfully processed since we checked bill first term immediately. And then we have our invoice here as well. As always, you can download it, print it, and you can email it directly to the customer as well. That concludes it for creating a membership via the point of sale.